We'll guide you through how to set up Cloudbot in Streamlabs, making your streaming experience smoother and more interactive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Streamlabs website and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar where you will see various options. Click on the dashboard to get started. In the dashboard, find the Cloudbot tab and select it. This will take you to the Cloudbot settings where you can start customizing your bot. You need to toggle the switch to enable Cloudbot. Now, you'll see several features that you can configure like moderation, commands, giveaways, and loyalty points. To set up custom commands, click on the Commands tab. Here, you can add new commands by clicking on the Add Command button. Enter the command name, response text, and any additional settings you want. Save your changes. Next, if you want to manage moderation settings, go to the Modules tab. You can toggle different modules like caps protection, link protection, and others depending on what you need for your community. Make sure to save after adjusting these settings. For giveaways, click on the Giveaways tab to set up and customize your giveaway settings. You can determine the rules, duration, and prizes. Lastly, if you want to reward your viewers, head over to the Loyalty tab. Here you can set up a loyalty system where viewers earn points for watching your stream. This can increase engagement and viewer retention. Remember, each change you make should be saved before you exit the tab to ensure everything is applied correctly. With these steps, your Cloudbot should be all set up and ready to enhance your streaming sessions. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.